how to edit Google form responses after submission in mobile phone. Okay, so from the Google form, simply come here to the settings and then tap on it. And then when you come down here to where we have the responses, okay, so from the responses, just scroll down, and then when you scroll down, simply come here to where we have allow response editing. Okay, so responses can be changed after being submitted. So this settings has to be turned on. Okay, so when you tap on it, it's going to be turned on. So this settings has to be turned on by the form owner. If they have done it, then you have the option to re-edit it. Okay, so let me click on this link so that we can use it as a tutorial. Okay, so when you click on it, so this is a response form that I'm going to answer. So the first one is the name, so let me put in the name there. After that, let me come here to the gender and then come and select female. So for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do it. And then over here to let me select this one, that is the general course. So you have seen the answers that I have selected. Okay, so there is the option to submit it. Let me submit it for you to see by clicking on the submit button. So as you can see, I've successfully submitted it. Okay, so under it, you see that we have edit your response. Okay, so let me click on it. And when I click on it, I can edit the answers that I have sent already. It is because the form owner allowed that settings to be on. So let me choose this as my answer. And then let me come here to where we have the submit, and then come and then click on the submit again. So this is how to edit a Google form when you have submitted it already. It is only when they allow it. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.